Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel. Today we have an exciting plant to showcase, Polyscias fruiticosa variegata. Join us as we explore the rich history, describe its captivating features, and reveal the secrets to successful cultivation of this stunning plant. Polyscias fruiticosa variegata, commonly known as variegated ming aralia or false aralia, is a popular houseplant that belongs to the Araliaceae family. It originates from the warm and tropical regions of Southeast Asia, including countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Its lush, glossy green leaves are elegantly splashed with creamy white variegation, creating a striking contrast. The plant features an upright growth habit, and as it matures, it develops a woody trunk with graceful branches, enhancing its overall appeal, creating the perfect environment for the variegated ming aralia. It's crucial for its optimal growth. It thrives in well-draining soil and requires bright, indirect light. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight as it may cause leaf burn. Keeping the humidity levels high will mimic its native tropical habitat and promote lush growth. Pairing the variegated ming aralia with other houseplants that share similar light and humidity requirements can create a beautiful indoor garden. Consider combining it with ferns, peace lilies, or other tropical plants to enhance the visual appeal and diversity of your indoor oasis. The variegated ming aralia is a sought-after ornamental plant, adorning indoor spaces, offices, and even public spaces with its elegant charm. Its versatility as a decorative houseplant has made it a favorite among gardening enthusiasts and interior decorators alike. And there you have it. A fascinating journey through the history and native range description, growing conditions and requirements, companion planting, and uses of the variegated ming aralia. Embrace the beauty of this houseplant in your own space and stay tuned for more captivating episodes on gardening and farming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Happy gardening!